Hey everybody! Today I will show you how to replace the air filter and change the oil plus the filter on the Audi A5 3-litre TDI V6 engine. So let's catch up with the video. Firstly, undo the 7T25 Torx screws on the air filter housing. Once you have them undone, unclip the intake pipe from the housing and remove the top cover of the air filter housing. By the way, you can find all the parts used in the video in the description below, so don't be shy to order them if you need them. Now you can see that the air filter is attached to the cover. In order to separate them, you have to undo the two T15 Torx screws on the air filter cover. When you finished, replace the old, dirty air filter with a fresh and clean new one. Secure it with the same two T15 Torx screws. Now let's get back under the hood and put back the new air filter where it belongs. Play it in its place and start tightening the screws, and finally put the two clips back to the intake piping